If you just accidentally emptied your recycle bin on Windows and realized you lost some critically important files, do not panic, and most importantly, stop saving anything new to your drive right now. If you keep saving new data on that drive, you risk overwriting the file sectors, which will make your deleted files gone forever. To get your files back right now, you need a dedicated data recovery tool called Cisdem Data Recovery. I'm going to walk you through a quick step-by-step guide to show you exactly how this works, how to preview your lost files for free, and how to restore them safely to your PC. Let's jump right into it. To follow along with me, go down to the description box or pinned comment of this video and click the very first link right there. That takes you directly to the official Cisdem Data Recovery page for Windows, where you can grab the free trial download to scan your drive alongside me. Once you are on the official page, simply click the green free download button for Windows. If you are on a Mac, don't worry, just click the small Mac logo right beneath that download button to grab the Mac OS version. Both versions are equally powerful. As soon as the download completes, open the installer file directly from your browser downloads bar and follow the simple on-screen prompts to install the tool on your PC. During the setup, you will just need to accept the software license agreement and choose an installation path. Now pay close attention here. To prevent permanent data loss, do not install the software on the same drive you are trying to recover files from. Instead, click the Browse button right here and select a completely separate safe drive. I highly recommend installing it onto a USB drive or an external hard drive. Once you have selected your safe drive, confirm your choice, click Install, and let the setup begin. Once the installation finishes, go ahead and launch Cisdem Data Recovery. Once you launch Cisdem, you will see this super clean, beginner-friendly interface. Our first step is selecting where your files used to be. Under the Hardware Disk section, you can select your main hard drive, or you can click directly on the recycle bin option listed to target the exact spot you just emptied. The next step is to move your cursor down to the bottom right corner and click this blue button that says Search for Lost Data. This will immediately trigger the system to start a scan of the raw sectors of your drive to find your files. Cisdem Data Recovery works incredibly well because of how it handles your drive. It operates completely in a specialized read-only mode, built specifically to handle complex data loss situations, like the exact emptied recycle bin scenario we are running right now. And as you can see on my screen, it's already pulling up thousands of files that were completely invisible to Windows just a second ago. When the scan completes, instead of digging through thousands of random items, you can use Cisdem's built-in filter tools at the top or sidebar to sort instantly by file type or path. Once you find your missing files, don't just guess if they work. Double-click any photo, video, or document to bring up the file preview feature. This lets you check the exact quality and file integrity for free before you restore anything, ensuring the data is completely intact and usable. The trial version lets you run the deep scan and preview every single file to prove 100% that your data is recoverable before you spend a dime. But to actually save the files back to your computer, you will need to upgrade to a license. Think of it as a free diagnostic check. If it finds your missing files in the preview, you know it is worth investment to get them back. When you are done ticking the boxes next to the files you want to save, click this blue Recover button in the bottom right corner. Now make sure you save these recovered files to a different drive, like a USB or external hard drive, not the original drive, just to be 100% safe. Now, while these files are safely exporting to my external drive, let's talk about how to actually unlock the full recovery features. To actually unlock the full recovery and save those files back to your PC, you will just want to grab a license from their official store page, which I have linked for you at the very top of the description and pinned in the comments below. And look at that, the export is done. If I open up my external drive, the files are completely restored with full original quality. Don't wait until new background tasks overwrite your drive. Click the very first link in the description or pinned comment right now. Run your free scan and get your files back today.